Vinod, I can hear you. I can hear you.
But I can't hear you. What's happening? 1 second. 1 second. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, I could hear you then also.
Yeah, sorry about that. I think Clement was
Oh,
calling me.
yeah, somebody called me that other time. That's why I lost you.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I, sorry. So we were talking about your studio space and how you got, uh,
Yeah, so
how do you decide to get a studio space?
working at home was really difficult because with all the things we do at home, no? Like I am the whatever homemaker, so I have like hundreds of things lined up one after the other, one after the other. Even if I sit to paint, something will come up. So I'll
Mhm.
be doing it, the cooker goes off to me, and then I have to literally rush and
How does the
that's
cooker
cut,
go?
cuts the flow.
No, please go on.
So it just cuts the flow, and I like spreading things and working, and it generally doesn't work that way. And I have like, you should see my studio, it's full of seats everywhere, there are
Oh,
seats.
nice.
So if I have to have a place to keep all this and still manage all the other things, it was really hard. So I feel having a studio, having that just me time is very valuable for me. Yeah. So
So
it brings out.
did the
Yeah.
no, please go on. Please go on.
Yeah, it's just that it helps when you're alone and you're thinking only work. Lot of possibilities are there, and when you're at home and you're just doing this for a little time and doing that, it just doesn't fall in place.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, and you've been doing this how long now?
Mm, this studio I got for about 6 months, two
Hmm.
months in lockdown, so I didn't do
Okay.
much. And before that, I was experimenting with newspaper. I was rolling newspaper and doing various things with it.
I saw
Means
some
just
of those works also. Only today I realized it's there on Instagram, right?
yeah. So I keep experimenting different mediums and all that. So
Okay.
let's see. I don't know what is going to come out of all this now with all the
So
seed paints.
so the seed painting started with lockdown,
Mostly yes,
mostly.
because of lockdown.
Did, so that helped you, got you more space, time and time to do it, or was it more difficult to do it?
No, it was better because otherwise I have like a proper schedule, like
Right.
3:30 my daughter comes, so I have to rush and then so I didn't have any time limits. I just
Okay.
finish my housework, come sit here, I stay for however long and get back home. So that freedom is amazing.
And where and how did you procure your seeds? Would you go out every day and get the seeds? Because there's no traveling happening in
Not
this period.
every day. About I told you like I had about 50 seats or something from my previous collections, like whenever I traveled and things like that.
How long have you been
So now
collecting?
6 7 years I think.
Oh, wow.
Wherever I
Okay.
went, I used to something.
Okay.
So yeah, and now off late, I went to Lal Bagh a couple of times. Then I went out of Bangalore. I mean, looking for seats. Just keep looking and going, and that's also wonderful because my husband takes us, and then my daughter also is equally participating. She's like, "Come on, look at the seat."
Nice.
So
Nice.
it's fun. It's like really nice going out in the field looking for things and everybody participating. It's really good fun. Thanks to
So
both of
you
them.
so you do get a lot of support for your
Oh yes,
collection.
definitely,
Okay.
definitely.
Okay. So your place must be overflowing with that now.
Yeah, lots of seeds. You should come
So
to my studio. You can have it.
yeah, I think we should have a small get together at your studio itself.
Sure,
It's just that it's another part of
definitely.
the world for me. But I would definitely love to come and visit you in your studio. I wish I could actually go to everybody's house and do this we can showcase. It would come out so much better. But it's okay. I'm also learning something. Um, the other thing I wanted to ask Shilpa, what happens to all the seeds after this is done?
So I have tried to preserve them. Some of them are little like raw kind of seeds. They are like in the fruit stage, so they kind of decompose. So I'll have to let go of them. But most of it are in the dry state. So I put these, you get those gel packets. Those, what do you call them? Then I put it in an open carton and leave it. Till now, it's been kept well. Just hope that it doesn't catch any humidity and get spoiled.
Okay. Since you already have some kind of history to this, you've been doing nature study and teaching this to other people also. Would you actually know the names of these seeds and what they do? Because there are all kinds of seeds. There's some disperse, I'm guessing pollen, some disperse their flowers, and they break in such a way that the seeds go everywhere and they percolate, right? So would you know a little more about them? Would you be able to speak about that?
Yeah, I had one particular seed which was really amazing. It is the Arlenne seed, the castor oil seed.
Okay.
Castor plant. So it grows like weed everywhere, all over the city. You can see them. Okay.
Okay.
And I had a bunch of it in my studio, and one day I was just sitting. I think it was hot, and suddenly I could hear a noise. Like one patar, and then I'm like looking, what is that? Everywhere. Then I realized it was because of the sun. The pod was actually popping out. The seed was bursting out the pod, and it was amazing to see that.
How does the seed look? What's it called in English?
It's castor seed, castor oil seed.
Is this the one which we used to play the top with?
No, that is eucalyptus. That's eucalyptus. Yeah.
Castor tree seed. Okay.
Castor plants mostly castor. The seeds look like this. I don't know if I can.
Sure, no. Little more higher. No, little more higher. A lot more higher. Just show one close to the camera. Okay. Yeah, that'll do.
It's like
very small. It's like a coffee bean, isn't it?
Yeah, I can show the painting maybe.
Yeah, that'll help.
Yeah, I have mentioned it on the thing. The painting.
Oh, okay. Oh, it looks almost like a ladybird. Is this how it looks?
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. And it's this size.
Like
it's the size of probably half rajma.
Yeah, half rajma or half coffee bean, no?
Yeah.
So you're saying this bursts, is it?
That bursts open and it just, just rushes all over the place. So that's why
inside?
You can see this is what is inside. The pod is different.
Oh, the pod is.
I can show you the pod also. There's some here. So it is like
mullu irutta.
Mullu. Then the seed is inside.
Is that the one?
Oh, yes. That is green. So it turns brown color. And it just bursts open. And each seed has a different way of dispersal. So I have this one seed. It's beautiful. This is a garden plant. Can you see the seed?
Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah.
Quite
common, isn't it?
It's very common. This is a cosmos flower, that seed. And it has tiny hooks like this,
Okay.
So basically, I think if there is an animal or something next to it, it just clings to it.
Okay.
Yeah. So each seed, if you notice, has a different way of dispersing.
Okay.
And it's beautiful. And you must have seen those mahogany seeds, right? They just go twirl around.
That white color one, like an umbrella.
Brown color.
Oh yeah, when it falls, it goes like a helicopter.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Okay.
So
you should just do a session where only you are talking and you just take us into this world of seeds. It'll be interesting.
Yeah,
Because half the time we see it, but we don't know what it does.
Yeah, now actually what I want to do is like some of the trees are rare. I don't know much about it.
Right.
Right now, since I was collecting because I want to achieve this, I know that there are so many trees that I didn't know before, and I've got to see them. So I really want to go back and sit and observe, like maybe in different times of the year, like
Mhm.
the tree is different in summer, the tree is different in winter, and the tree is different during the rainy season. So it's very interesting how what season the seed comes, what season the flower comes, flowering happens. It's so much to know actually.
Yeah.
Amazing.
I think
Hmm.
uh, one is this, it brings out the child in you going back to
Yeah.
the school
Very-
days. Uh,
Yeah.
but then again, I think yeah, when we listen to people like you and people who nature lovers and environmentalists, you learn a little more about that. I had the opportunity to meet uh, one Dr. Yellappa Reddy. So I took a
Mm-hmm.
walk on one of the hills in one of the institutions that I work for, and
Mm-hmm.
I just realized that everything in nature is there for a reason, and nothing is there as a waste. So I was looking at some weed, and I was telling him, "Sir,
Absolutely.
isn't this a waste?" He said, "For you, it's a waste, not for other
Yeah.
species and other flora fauna." So he plucked that weed,
True.
rubbed it, and he said, "Now smell my hand."
Yeah.
And it smells so sweet. And he said, "This is what is used in cosmetics and in soap." And I had no clue of it. It completely changed my view of the way I look at the world. Uh,
True.
and I think you're doing a lovely job of capturing that one part of that plant life. Let it be seed, but it's for posterity. Once it's done, it draws towards you, and once you're drawn towards
Yeah.
it and you know a little more about it in detail, it's like doing
True.
photography, but a macro photography where you get into that level of the plant life, and then your thinking is completely different after that.
Yeah. True. True.
So what's next from here? You've done 100 now. What's next? 200?
I don't know. No. Maybe as and when I get, yeah, definitely I would love to do.
I
I will
think you
love to
should
do.
do. I think you should do 110. 100 is not a good number. Yeah.
Yeah.
ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 100 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒನ್ 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 ರುಪಿ
ಒಂದ್
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ,
ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
101. ಆ ತರ 100 ಹತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು 5, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು 5 ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು.
Okay,
ಬಟ್
I'll make 10 for you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ನನಗೆ ಸಾಕು. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ನಾನು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್.
That's bad.
But I'll get a sign from you. Don't worry. So you'll still have the original, and I'll have the printed version, but with your signature.
Okay, fine.
See
I'll only
you
give your print.
in another 5 or 10 years, you'll become very famous, and I'll
Oh
auction
my
it,
God.
and that's my retirement plan.
My Oh, yeah, please.
Good. Um, Great talking to you, Shilpa. I wish we could talk more in depth about your seeds, but we'll just keep it short and sweet here for now. I'm waiting to see all your pictures. I've seen a lot of your Instagram pictures, but I'm sure not all the 100 are all the 100 posted. You've posted all the 100?
Tomorrow I'll be posting the 100th one. 100th one is not made
So
yet.
when you started your journey from then till now, you posted everything, is it?
Yes, every single day. That was the challenge that I took. That every single day I'm going to post a work. And I did 99.
Oh, okay. So what I picked was probably just about 10 or 15 to see. So I'll need to go back and see. I'm doing a very lazy job. I need to go back and see the rest.
Yeah. Please have a look. You'll remember a lot of other childhood days of yours. Because
I think what I could relate to, I only picked those. The helicopter one, the top one, I think the other one which in rain, once it gets soaked, you have that corkball ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ full nore ಬರೋದು. If you leave it in water, it's got a nice fragrance. I've actually tasted it. It's sweet. It's like honey. Have you tasted it?
Yeah. I am not
You
doing
tasted? You should.
it. Yes, I made cotton soda.
Yeah. Okay.
I
If
will.
anything happens to
Okay.
Shilpa after tasting, it's not on me.
Yeah. Yeah. You're on recording now.
Well, I just suggested you not to follow what I'm saying, but uh,
Okay.
hand to God, ನನ್ನ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೈ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಶಿಲ್ಪಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಕಮ್.
ಬರ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ, ವೆನ್ ಐ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಅದು ತಿನ್ಸ್ಬಿಡೋದನ್ನೇ. ಕಾಫಿ ಟೀ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಮ್ಮ, ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಷಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡು. ಎನಿವೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅದರ್ ಥೆರಪೀಸ್, ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
Okay, fine, I'll do that.
I think your family also will be happy to you letting go of a lot of those things.
Yeah, seriously.
So are you still going to continue doing this, continuing painting, continuing collecting seeds?
Definitely. There are so much more. Actually, this is not summer. So I know there are so many seeds that come out only in summer, and I'm waiting for summer to come. And I know that, there are some seeds, I have particular stages of those seeds where they just open up and you can see all the seeds, stuck to the pod still. So my dream is to collect them in that stage and then paint, that makes a lot of difference.
Okay, 1 second before I go. It's not only seeds, you've also painted leaves, Alva? Leaves and twigs and all that? Or it's only seeds?
No, seeds, see, what is there inside the seed pod is a seed, okay?
Right.
So the outer covering, what you see, that is the protective layer for the seed. So what grows as a fruit dries up and becomes a seed, right? So the outer, whatever fruit fleshy part dries up and it turns into a pod. It becomes a protective layer for the seed. It actually takes care of the seed, and then it either spurts out or just disperses in different ways.
Got it. Oh, which means I need to go back and see in detail, because ಒಂದೆರಡು pictures paintings ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಅದು leaves ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹೀಗಿದೆ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಒಳ್ಳೆ leaves ತರ. Leaves ತರ.
That's what it's very fascinating. You should see, each one is different. Each seed is different.
I think we'll do an episode only with Shilpa, coffee with Shilpa, and only seed episode. We'll all have coffee and sit. You take the class. I want to listen to what all you have to talk about seeds. And I'm sure every seed that you've picked up, you know where you've picked it up from in the last 7 years. Allah?
Yeah, definitely.
Your memory is attached with that seed, with that particular place.
Yes. I can remember when I picked up.
Which was the most difficult and most fun collecting, or you thought?
Okay, recently we went to collect this one seed. It was on the forest road, and we're not supposed to stop the car on the forest road. So my husband ran, and he, there was a kind of, they make those pits for elephants so that they don't cross.
Yeah.
So he said he knew he's going to fall, but still he jumped and got the seed for me, and I was so sweet of him. So I seriously, I have so many incidents like this. So it's super fun to, go collecting seeds also.
Okay. Now this also is on record. You've done something illegal.
Illegal, andre seed painting ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, so a little deviation. Yeah.
Okay. Just because you're such a good artist, I think we'll let go with that.
Thank you.
And don't worry. We will all sign petition if you are ever jailed. I'll bring you food. I will dunzo it to you, and I will be the first person to sign petition. And your 100 paintings will be taken care of. Don't worry at all.
Okay, I'll keep it in the locker before I go to jail. Okay.
Yes, you keep one key. One key will nan badra nantra one key irutte.
Okay. You can come to my studio and pick up whatever you want.
So plan, I want you to plan and now tell me when you're going to call.
For studio?
Yes.
Okay, next week sometime.
I didn't expect that. That was fast. Okay.
What is that studio? Okay.
You know how the traffic has been? The traffic has opened up, and Bangalore's crazy traffic now. Crazy traffic.
Yeah.
One varadinde chennagittu. I mean, it was much better.
it's not like you have a deadline or anything. You can aram se come, aram se spend some time, aram se go back. So
there is a metro to Bannerghatta, Alva.
illa. I think
No.
until Elchinalli you can take a metro. And
How
then
far is that from your place?
about 20 minutes.
Okay.
That's the closest.
20 minutes is closest to Bangalore. 20 minutes is crazy. Anyway,
Yeah.
that's on my list to do this year.
Yeah.
Will come
This year.
and
Okay.
ಏನಮ್ಮ?
This year ಅಂದೆ ನಾನೇನೋ next week ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. You're saying this year, so
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, you know how things have been, right?
Yeah.
So hopefully, and I've been wanting to and planning for the longest time to meet everybody, have small meetups. Trying to still keep it safe, like what we were talking last week, me and Madhu. We were talking about traveling together. So on weekends, if you all can get into carpool together, go take bikes and go to a nearby destination just for coffee, breakfast, or a one night stay somewhere and come back. If we could do that, why not probably even come to your studio? Probably we can have a very, very, very small gathering at your studio itself.
Sure.
Alva?
100%. Yes, 100%.
You'll take care of the coffee and snacks, I'm guessing.
Yes. I'm sure. I mean, I will surely take care of that. Maybe more than
Chalo, Shilpa, it was wonderful talking to you, and please do share your pictures, your Instagram link, any other link that you have, and we definitely would love to see how your studio looks. If you could take us a small video clipping of the studio and explain to us where you sit, how you go about. I think it'll be really nice to look into the artist's mind and where the artist has been and what the person is doing.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Vinod. Thank you so much. It was.
Thank you. I know
nice.
I was coming hard sometimes, pushing for this video to be done, but it's very gracious of you to accept and do this. Here's to more.
Thank you so much,
wish you all
because I'm not a person who will, who want to do this by myself. Because you did that, I kind of did it. So I'm happy. It's a new beginning for me. So it's nice.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And I think you guys, all of you, make it possible. And I have a very small message for the entire group. Guys, it's nothing to do with creativity at all. There are some people who are confused that this is only for a creative outlet. It's not. What Madhu does is nothing creative at all. It's something to do with adventure. So as long as anybody and whoever's got any kind of a passion, any kind of a hobby which can be showcased, this is interesting for all of us to learn. We learned a little bit about lilies. We learned about the art of riding and how to plan a ride. We learned about the way wildlife photography is done from Gaurish. And every week it's something different. If one of you is into poetry, is into writing, somebody is into cooking, you have different recipes to share. Somebody else is doing something completely different, trekking, right, or a blogger. That's all we need. We just need a subject to talk about. It's not being very professional, or I'm not prepared. I don't have a question at all. What I've written here is basically touch points for me to ask. It's not even a questionnaire. So I am as ill prepared as anybody would be. So I urge you guys to come forward and get in touch. Let's do this. And unfortunately, Sushma is the first person and the only person to have gotten in touch with me to do the showcase. I think all of us are talented and all of us have some kind of hobby. I urge you guys to come forward and showcase whatever that you have to showcase. I don't want to bore you guys anymore. Here it is. This is episode number 10. With Shilpa Shree, with her paintings about seeds. And I wish Shilpa very best of whatever she does. Here's to more paintings, Shilpa. I'm following you on Instagram. I urge you guys also to follow Shilpa and We all need that little bit of encouragement. Believe me, that energy is very it's very contagious. It keeps you going. It makes you want to do more. So please do
Definitely.
like her works, comment on it, interact with her, follow her on her Insta account, and that's it. That's it. Anything you want to share, Shilpa?
Thank you, Vinod. I really want to thank you. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you
It
so
was
much.
really nice.
So see you soon over the weekend, and congrats on your 100th painting, which is tomorrow.
Thank you.
This calls for a treat at your studio. I'm coming.
Yes.
You're inviting, not inviting. I don't care.
100%.
I'm coming.
100%. You should come.
Chalo. Chalo.
All
See ya.
right. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.